Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start with a consistent routine. Study 3 hours daily with focused 50-minute blocks and 10-minute breaks. Begin each week by covering mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, optics, and modern physics so no field is neglected. Allocate 40% time to conceptual reading and 60% to problem solving to build intuition and application. Use a rotating syllabus that revisits weak areas twice a week. Set micro goals like 5 topics per week, and use a weekly review session to consolidate formulas, units, and common approximations. Practice must dominate. Solve 100 varied problems per week, including 30 past exam questions and 70 practice problems from textbooks and mock tests. Time yourself. Do full papers in 3 hours to simulate exam conditions and train endurance. Also do 45-minute topic drills for speed. Track performance with an error log, noting concept, trigger, and correction for each mistake. Analyze mistakes with error logs and revisit weak topics every 3 days, focusing on pattern errors, algebra slips, and unit inconsistencies to cut preventable. Choose resources deliberately. Use 1 primary textbook per topic, plus 2 reference books and 3 online lecture series to cover varied explanations. Revise with spaced repetition. Review formulas and flashcards every 7, 14, and 30 days, and perform a full syllabus revision at least 30 days before the exam. Maintain health. Sleep 7 hours, exercise 30 minutes, and study uninterrupted blocks to keep cognitive stamina. Plan mock exams weekly, set target scores, and adjust study hours based on progress toward target percentiles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.